Welcome back to Overland Trails. Cinder Hills, located just 13 miles northeast of downtown Flagstaff, and is approximately 13,500 acres. It gets its name from the volcanic cinder that covers the area from the last volcanic eruptions. The numerous volcanic cinder cones and craters surrounded by a ponderosa pine forest environment gives the area a very unique landscape. Sunset Crater, the youngest in a string of volcanoes, last erupted sometime between 1080 and 1150 AD. In the 1960s, the astrology branch of the United States came here in order to train astronauts as well as test equipment and techniques for a lunar exploration because of its unique volcanic soil. And now, it's our turn for a little exploring. Alrighty, good morning guys. Made it to Cinder Hills last night. Quick little camp spot. Not too bad. This stuff on the ground is just crazy. It's like volcanic ash or something. The plan for the day, grab something to eat, get dressed, get changed, and then we're gonna run out on that field out there and up the mountains and do a little trail running. See if we can't have a little bit of fun out here. The ground's pretty bad out here. This stuff is pretty just kind of bead style, so we're gonna go ahead and air down and run a few of these trails and see just what exactly we can get into.
Got the flat griddle heating up right now. Not quite flip it that high.
Good job, baby. This is what it's all about right here, folks. Hey guys, been one heck of a day. We stuck around Cinder Hills one extra day. Just kind of take a little time, relax, get everything situated. A couple of recommendations to come out here to this park. There's a big open area called Cinder Lake. It's, I guess, an old dried lake bed. A lot of history here though on the, used to be a bombing range. NASA used it as a testing area for their rover because it simulated Mars with all the volcanic rock and ash around. But a little bit of recommendation, go past the lake and go further down a couple miles into the dispersed camping area. There's a lot of people that just come up to the front here, so if you go all the way to the back, you'll be able to get away from a lot of the people just driving in for the night, kind of a transient kind of thing. And a lot of people like to drive around the lake bed because it's just a bunch of ash and the volcanic pebbles. And so they're running their, Baja rigs and stuff like that half the night. There's just so much around this whole area to see. You could come here, hit Grand Canyon, South Rim, go down into Sedona, keep on going up into Utah. There's just so much to see out here. Take the time, come out and check everything out. Especially if you come in November, bring plenty of warmth because it is cold at night. We got down to 28 the last couple of nights, so we're running a jackery and an electric blanket. That's about the only way we're surviving. But tomorrow we're going to push into Sedona, hopefully get down there pretty quick, check out a few sites, and we'll talk to you then. Well, you gotta go. You gotta go. Alrighty folks, that's it for Cinder Hills. There's a lot of land around here, man. So much going on. About to go push down to Sedona, resupply, and then we'll see if we can't find a little bit of a trail. But this place is just huge. It's got trees, it's got trails everywhere. Stuff.
You talk too much.
Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. See you guys in the Sedona. Gotta go. Bye.